Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the DV8 Off-Road Replacement Grille in black, fitting your 18 to 21 Jeep Wrangler JL. This is perfect for the Jeep owner who's looking for a replacement grille with aggressive matte black styling and a simple bolt-up install. This replacement grille features an aggressive design that changes the shape of the headlight cutouts, but it does keep that vertical line in the Jeep grille intact to keep that iconic Jeep styling. It features a high-quality ABS plastic construction with a matte black finish that you can leave as is or paint to match your Jeep. This grille includes new pop clips, metal clips, and weather stripping to keep a good seal from the hood to the grille itself, and mounts up to all of your factory mounting points. So as far as price goes, this grille comes in at around $250, putting it low to middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you're getting a direct bolt-up full grille replacement that also includes nice features like new clips and weather stripping. Now, whether the style of this grille is for you or not, there's no denying that this is a quality piece that features a simple install. So as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up install that can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's check out that install. For this install, you will need a pop clip removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so the first step in our uninstall with the hood popped, we're gonna grab a pop clip removal tool and remove all of these pop clips on top of the grille. Move down the grille and remove each of the pop clips with this pop clip removal tool. If you don't have one of these, you can use a flathead. Just use a little extra care in removing them. And don't forget there's also one pop clip on each corner. Remove those as well. With all of the pop clips removed, you can now grab the grille and pull it straight back towards you to release each of the clips along the bottom. All right, now that we have our factory grille uninstalled from our Jeep, we can check it out side by side with our new grille here. Now, as you can see, design-wise, they are very different from one another. Our new grille features a more angular design that actually sticks out farther than your factory, but you do still get that iconic Jeep shape to the grille and the honeycomb inserts in the center. Now, this one features a black finish that you can leave as is or paint to match your Jeep. So with that said, let's go ahead and finish up the install. Now, before we have our grille installed, we're gonna install these clips along the bottom. It's nice that they did include these new ones so you don't have to reuse the factory clips. Just go ahead and line them up and press them into place. You may have to wiggle them a bit to get them fully seated, but go ahead and line up each one and get it installed. And next up, we can line up these plastic brackets on the corners. You'll see 2 open holes. Line those up with the proper bracket, and you want the angled side to be facing out to the edge. If you're not sure, you can look at the factory grille and just compare the shape of the factory. Grab the included Phillips head screws and thread them in place. And then grab a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it down. Repeat that on the other side of the grille. And now that we have those parts installed, we can go ahead and get it lined up on our Jeep. Line up the top brackets as well as the clips on the bottom. And press it into place. Once you line up the plastic brackets up top, go ahead and install the included pop clips. Repeat that until all of your pop clips are installed. And now that the grill is fully mounted up, we can install the weather stripping. Now you can do this while the grill is off, but I think it's a little bit easier to line it up with everything installed. Once you have it lined up on top, go ahead and flip it over and peel off that protective for the double-sided adhesive. Go ahead and get it lined up again. And once you like where it's positioned, go ahead and stick it down. I'm gonna start in the center and just work my way out to the sides. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of this grill. And remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.